Hello everyone, we are the Group 2 and we are about to report the Human Environment Systems. But before that, I would like to introduce ourselves to you. Hello, I am Josimas M. Constantino and the others are Precious Calimon, Tinwell Capalad, Sophia Faustino, Matt Mayores, and Jobel de la Cruz. And now, let's proceed to our reporting.
System and system diagram. Humans have the capacity to interact with their environment through mutual interaction. Human can change or influence the balance of society and can always adapt to the environment. The environment is a complex of many variables that surrounds man and living organisms. The system may be described as a complex of interacting components, together with the relationship among them that permit the identification of a boundary-maintaining entity or process and form some aggregated whole.
System and system diagram. To help visualize and understand systems, use a system diagram. A system diagram displays the system component and the interaction between them. Ang isang tao po ay may kakayahang mag-isip, magsalita, at kayang mamuhay ng naayon sa kagustuhan niya. Dahil dito, kaya natin na makabuo ng relasyon sa kapwa-tao, makipag-usap upang malahad lahat ng gusto nating sabihin, o kaya gamitin yung mga binibigay ng kapaligiran o experience ng kapaligiran para makasurvive. Ngunit, ang mga ito ay may limitasyon at isa ito sa mga components natin upang mamuhay ng naayon sa tama. Halimbawa po sa core subject sa school, hindi mawawala ang pagkakaroon ng interaction ng isang guro at mag-aaral. Ngunit sa pagtuturo ng isang guro, hindi mawawala ang mga learning activities na ibibigay sa mga estudyante to assess and test kung may natutunan yung mga estudyante na sa lesson na diniscuss, which the teacher cannot teach without lesson plan. Kaugnay rito, upang mas maintindihan ng system, there is a system diagram na nagpapakita ng kaugnayan ng tao sa kapaligiran at kung ano nagiging epekto nila sa isa't isa. Isa pang halimbawa, likas sa isang tao na magkaroon ng iba't ibang ugali depende sa kanyang nakasalamuha at kung ano ang ugaling kanyang nakasanayan na siyang bunga ng kanyang kapaligiran. Pinapakita rito na kung isang tao ay may respeto at gumagamit ng po at opo sa pakikipag-usap sa nakakatanda sa kanya, ibig sabihin, ito ay kanyang nakikita at naririnig sa mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya. At ang taong makakarinig sa kanya ay magkakaroon ng magandang impresyon dahil marunong siyang gumalang.
Human environment system is an interdisciplinary approach to social science that bridges the gap between and integrates knowledge from social science and the natural sciences into one framework in the study of the environment and social issues. People modify the environment for their purposes and obtain benefits, ecosystem services, from it. These ecosystem services are essential for human well-being and include, for example, the provision of resources like water, timber, food, energy, information, land for farming, and many more. Example, the term human environment means the physical, social, and economic components, conditions, and factors which interactively determine the state, condition, and quality of living conditions, employment, and health of those affected, directly or indirectly, by activities occurring on the outer continental shelf. Also known as coupled human and natural system. Human environment system is an integrated scientific framework for studying the interface and reciprocal interactions that link humans to natural.
And now let's proceed to the key concept of human environment system. First is human environment interactions and landscapes. The second is the thematic and mental maps. The third is the spatial distribution and spatial processes. Human environment interaction and landscapes. Human environment interaction is a phenomenon that describes how human beings interact with the environment to obtain their needs from it. It indicates how humans themselves have to adapt to the environment to ensure their survival. Human environment interaction refers to the complex relationship between human and their surroundings, as people seek to meet their needs and to adapt to their environment. This concept highlights the interdependence between humans and the nature world, recognizing that both parties influence each other in various ways. Human activities have transformed landscape and altered ecosystems, while environmental factors such as climate, resources, and hazard have been shaped human societies and influence their health and well-being. Understanding this interaction is crucial for promoting sustainable development, resource management, and climate change mitigation.
A thematic map is a type of map especially intended to show a particular theme that is connected with a certain geographic area. It can depict physical, social, political, cultural, economic, sociological, agricultural, or any other aspects or a city, state, region, nation, or continent. Ang thematic map ay ang mga visual na representasyon ng partikular na tema o paksa. Halimbawa, isipin natin ang isang thematic map na nagpapakita ng pagbabago ng moisture sa isang rehiyon sa loob ng isang dekada. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral ng mga data na nakapaloob sa thematic map na ito, maaari nating malaman kung mayroong mga lugar na nagbago ang moisture, kung saan nagkaroon ng pagtaas o pagbaba ng moisture, at kung ano ang mga posibleng sanhi ng mga pagbabagong ito. Halimbawa, maaaring makita natin na may mga lugar na nagkaroon ng pagtaas ng kahalumigmigan dahil sa urbanisasyon at pagdami ng mga infrastruktura na nagdulot ng pagbabago sa daloy ng tubig. Ang mental map ay ang mga kognitibong representasyon ng kapaligiran na nilikha ng mga individual batay sa kanilang mga pananaw at karanasan. Halimbawa, isipin natin ang isang individual na naglakbay sa isang lugar at gumawa ng mental map ng mga landmark at ruta sa kanyang dinaanan. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral ng mental map na ito, maaari nating maunawaan kung paano nakikita at nilalakbay ng individual ang lugar na ito. Halimbawa, maaaring makita natin ang individual ay naglagay ng mas malaking emphasis sa mga landmark na may sentimental na kahulugan sa kanya, tulad ng isang paboritong park o isang lugar na may espesyal na kahulugan sa kanyang buhay. Ang mental map na ito ay ang magpapakita ng personal na connection at pagkakaugnay ng individual sa lugar na iyon. Ang pagkombina ng mga ito ay nagbibigay ng mas malawak at kumpletong perspective sa pag-unawa sa landscape at sa kahalagahan ng isang lugar para sa mga individual.
Spatial distribution and spatial processes. Geography includes spatial distribution or the study of why things vary from place to place on Earth. Spatial distribution is the arrangement of a phenomenon across the Earth's surface. A spatial process explains how people came to live in a certain area as it answers why a certain spatial distribution exists. Inilalarawan ng spatial distribution kung paano kumalat ang isang populasyon tulad ng kung saang lugar ito nangyayari. Habang ang density ng populasyon ay naglalarawan kung gaano karaming individual ang matatagpuan sa isang partikular na lugar.
Fourth is the environmental and social issues. Environmental issues may present themselves as temporary or permanent changes.
Human impact the physical environment in many ways. First and foremost, here is pollution. Pollution of air, water, and soil require millions of years to recover. Industry and motor vehicle exhaust are the number one pollutant. Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Ang pollution ay maaaring natural, ngunit mas madalas na ito ay gawa ng mga tao. Ang pollution sa hangin ay dahil sa sobrang usok galing sa mga sasakyan, factory, o pwede din sa pagsisiga. Ang pollution naman sa tubig ay hindi tamang pag-dispose ng mga kalat at hinahayaang magkaroon ng mga basura ang anyong tubig, gayon na rin sa pagbara ng mga kalat sa dinadaluyan ng tubig. Ang pollution naman sa lupa ay isang malaking suliranin. Ito ay maaring sanhi ng mga kemikal na basura o iba pang mga bagay na nakakasira sa kalidad ng lupa. Global warming. Climate changes like global warming are the result of human practices like emission of greenhouse gases. Global warming leads to rising temperatures of the oceans and the Earth's surface. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities. Ito yung nagdudulot ng pagbabago sa ating kalikasan tulad ng pagtaas ng antas ng karagatan, pagbabago sa klima, at unti-unting pagkawala ng kalikasan. Natural resource depletion. Natural resource depletion is another crucial current environmental problem. Fossil fuel consumption results in the emission of greenhouse gases, which are responsible for global warming and climate change. Natural resource depletion refers to the exhaustion or decline in availability of natural resources such as water, minerals, forests, and fossil fuels. Due to excessive consumption or unsustainable exploitation, epekto ito ng sobrang paggamit o sobrang pangangalakal ng mga likas na yaman na hindi naayon sa kakayahan ng kalikasan na mag-produce uli nito. Pang-aabuso sa ating likas na yaman ang mismong dahilan. Maaaring dulot ng illegal logging, overfishing, mining, na walang proper regulation at iba pa.
A social issue is a problem that influences a considerable number of individuals within a society. Social, poverty, sexual orientation and gender identity, HIV epidemic, social and social issues. Kung pag-uusapan ng tungkol sa lipunan at mga problema rito, isa itong mahabang talakayan. Sa ating bansa, marami ang mga nasa posisyon ang gumagawa ng paraan upang mabigyan ng solusyon yung mga problema na to. Kung isa-isahin po natin ang mga problema ng Pilipinas, isa na rito ang kahirapan, ang pagpili ng kasarian o pagpili ng sarili mong kasarian at ang pagkalat ng HIV virus na hindi pa nabibigyan ng solusyon dahil sa mga sumusunod. Unang-una na po dito ang patuloy na pagtaas ng populasyon. Pangalawa, walang sapat na kaalaman ng mga mamamayan upang maiwasan ang HIV virus at kung paano ito kumakalat. At pangatlo ay sa aspetong relihiyon ng ating bansa.
Number 1, humans are able to adapt to changing environments and create new systems to meet their needs. Number 2, human systems are flexible and can be modified to fit different needs. Number 3, human systems are able to use resources from the environment in order to meet needs. Number 4, human systems are capable of learning and innovation.
Number 1. Human systems are often not sustainable and can cause environmental damage if not managed properly. Number 2. Human systems can be slow to adapt to changing conditions and can be slow to respond to new challenges. Number 3. Human systems are often not equitable and can lead to inequality. Number 4. Human systems can be vulnerable to external shocks and can be difficult to manage in the face of uncertainty.
And now, taking everything into consideration, in a coupled human-environment system, the relationship between human and the environment is dynamic and multifaceted. Human activities such as agriculture, infrastructure development, and resources structure can alter the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the environment, leading to both intended and unintended consequences. And that's our reporting about human environment system. I hope you all guys understood. Thank you for listening.